Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to install these little brass weights down here for I don't know, look like they go behind your tire. They got the hex on them, and they got like it looks like a little spacer there or something, like it looks like they extend out. So let's check these out. Let's install these today, guys. How about that? How about that? RC hop-ups, guys. Got some nice product. You can get it at JJ Customs LLC. He ships for free in the United States. So if you guys are interested in it, go check out his website at JJ Customs, and then go on to RC hop-ups. I'll leave a link down below for these. Yeah, these are +5. It's right down there, +5. So these are nice right here, guys. Let's open all these up. Get a new blade on this X-Acto knife. Comes with all these right here. So we'll have to see what those parts entail there, guys. Let's get all these open up. Get some weight down there below, huh? This little bad boy. It's a fun truck, guys. And then picked up one of his toolkits for this. Comes with 0.05, 1.3, 1.5, and then a 4.0 box. Take the tires off. All right, nice. I don't have to think about it. Those come right off. Let's see. Oh, don't lose those. And there's a little pin here, guys. I don't know if this came with a pin set or not. Let's open this little baggie up. I'm just gonna tear this one up. Looks like there's some sort of O-ring or something. It does come with pins too. So it gives you extra pins and some sort of rubber rings for something, or metal rings. I'm assuming these go onto here. Right? I'm assuming. So let's see. Let's see if those pins on here work still. I might need to be bigger pins. Okay. Yeah, you can still just use the stock pins if you want, guys. So just put this on here like that, and I'm thinking we take, I'm assuming that's where the washer goes, guys. No? How do you get the tire on? That's funny. That's funny. So, go like that, then go like this. Somewhat like that. That must be how that goes. Alright, that's how it goes, guys. That's kind of different. So, let's shut this all off. So, let's do another front one here. Take this one. Let's take this off. Put this one on. It's alright design. I think it looked better with some like different rims, that's for sure. I just want to turn these on to make sure they're still turning. Alright, let's do one more here, guys. Those look good. They don't hit the screws, so we're good, guys. It's a nice fit. Makes them stick out a little wider. Not, I don't think they look too bad. Little gold pieces, little brass pieces here too. You know. We do have some other rims Just need to get some tires. Trying to get these little things in the holes in my big old fingers. One of my batteries is charged. Man, that was tough. Big old clawed fingers. Let's see, can we tell how far that sticks out? Yes, sir. Look at that. They're sticking way out here now compared to what they were. See, that one's barely sticking out, and that one's sticking out pretty good. It's a nice, very nice to get it nice and wide. A little weight down there. Pop that one off. Make sure your little pins, you guys can see that or not. A little pin there. Make sure it's in the middle. It slides over the top of it. Bam, bam, locks in. It goes on top of it. And then you got your little washer. And then your brass piece. And then try to get it, there we go. We got it in the first time that time, guys. Screw it in there. Tighten it up. And bam. Yeah, that thing sits quite a bit wider. All right, guys, just RC hop-ups. Brass wheel hexes, 5mm extension on them, so get all these leftover pieces, keep all that stuff, because you never know, you might get another one, might need one, might want to change things up. You see how all these guys are changing their stuff all the time, so yeah, that's pretty cool. It's a nice, makes it a little wider, so plus it gives it some weight down below. Nice. Awesome toolkit too, guys. Like I said, go JJ Customs. Go look at RC hop-ups. We will, I'll leave links down below for this. For the hex extenders, brass hex extenders, and stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna be adding some more parts. I'm gonna put these front steer hubs on, and probably this for the front diff up front. Do both of these together. So, and I got a bunch more parts, guys. So just stay tuned for this. I'll be putting more and more on it, hopefully. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and you guys have a good day.